So, you've probably already heard about Squarespace and how great it is. There are tons of ads and many different reviews all over the internet. Or maybe you haven't heard about it. If so, here's a real quick shot of Squarespace.
Wow. Is this yours?
Will you stop bothering me? I'm sorting my trash here.
Your artwork is amazing.
My what work?
This is art. People need to see this. You need a website.
So, in this Squarespace review, we are going to see how functional this website builder is. We will check out how hard or easy it is to create your website, what kind of features does Squarespace have, and is it actually worth going all in with Squarespace. We will mention all the pros and cons of it, and at the end of this Squarespace review, we'll talk all about the pricing. And if you will want to read a written review about this and other website builders, feel free to check out our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com. Let's get right into it. When you first open the website, it looks pretty decent and well made. First impressions are great, but we really want to go to the details. So we just press get started. Now what's cool is that there are tons of templates you can choose from, which will definitely make the whole process of creating a website much more manageable. So choose whichever category you prefer. But for this Squarespace review, we are going to select a portfolio template and we'll go with the one which we like the most. Now you can choose the name of your website, but do keep in mind that this is not a domain name. That is just a name that will show up on the header of your website, but you can edit this part of your website later. Okay, so from the beginning, you can edit the pages you want to have, such as the main page, about page, gallery, or you can add whatever page you want. Say you might want to sell something on your website. You can add a store page. Select the design you want for it and it's instantly popping out. Now on the left, you can see your products. Squarespace gives this immediate freedom to edit the pictures, prices, select whether the product is on sale, track the inventory, work with the SEO tools, customize the custom forms, and etc. I love it. So as you can see, it's pretty neat and really easy to use. If you're planning to sell something on the internet, this is the way to go. Now let's head back to the start of this Squarespace review, and that's our website. Let's see what else you can do here. Let's edit our About section and see what kind of possibilities we have here. So you can edit all the fonts, the positioning of the text, well, you can do all the basic stuff you would want to do with a text. Actually, it would be quite awkward if you couldn't do that. What I kinda missed is that you cannot move the whole box with the text, but I guess that's a minor drawback. But by the way, if you don't like the layout of this page, you can add additional sections such as videos, galleries, and etc. In short, Squarespace has complete freedom over editing your pages. On the other hand, in the commerce section, you can see your orders, track your inventory, see your customers who actually bought your products or services, set up your payment pages, and so on. But yeah, that's a premium service, and you will not be able to do that with a trial account. And by the way, you can have a trial account for 14 days, so that's quite enough time to test your website out. Links for that are in the description down below. Now what I found very cool about Squarespace is the marketing section. Here you can do a lot, starting from the SEO and finishing with Facebook pixel, ads, email campaigns, and etc. We won't go into every small detail about each one of them because it's not a tutorial, but let's check out the SEO tab real quick. And let's see what we can do here. The SEO checklist gives you instructions on what you should do to improve the SEO rankings. You know, the better your SEO is, the higher you rank in the search engines, such as Bing, Yahoo, and Google. So it's crucial to understand how SEO works, and Squarespace does help you with that. I have checked the information they provide, and I can tell you that it's useful, especially for those who never had any experience before. And if you feel that you still need help with it, you can hire an SEO specialist with Squarespace. Last but not least, there's still a little more to talk about in this Squarespace review. We'll see what you can do with the analytics page. Okay, once the page loads up, we can see that there you can track what's been happening with the sales on your pages, how many units of your product you sold, how much revenue you earned, and so on. That's something which I can't say that all website builders have. And also, there's a feature called Abandoned Cart, which allows you to see how many users abandoned their shopping cart and decided not to buy your product or service. I mean, that's a really important factor to which you would have to pay a lot of attention. if you want to make more sales, right? So this could be a very useful tool which I haven't noticed in all of the other competitor website builders. And yeah, there are many more features that I would love to go in depth with. However, we'll have a tutorial on how to make your website using Squarespace. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely know that you want to see a video as I have just mentioned. Other than that, you can always check out our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com for more written reviews about this and other website builders. Let's talk about the pricing. Although Squarespace might look like a very expensive website building platform, it does still come at an affordable price. So, their basic plans, which are called Personal, starts at $12 a month, but you can save up to 25% if you buy an annual plan. You'll get most of the features with this plan. You'll get a free SSL, 24/7 customer support service, unlimited bandwidth and storage, and so on. On the other hand, there's a business plan which is marked as the most popular one, and I can already see why. It comes at $18 a month, but there's a 30% discount if you purchase a 1-year plan. The link for that is in the description down below. So with this plan, you'll get everything you get with a personal plan, plus marketing tools and a few commerce tools such as accept donations. I mean, this tool would be absolutely mandatory if you'd be going for a, let's say, fundraising project, charity, or anything that could really be impacted by the contribution of other people. And lastly, there are 2 more plans which are called Basic Commerce Plan and comes at $26 a month, and Advanced Commerce Plan which comes at $40 a month. You can get a 13% discount for an annual plan for both of these plans. The main aim of these plans is to fulfill all your website needs if you're planning on selling something online. In fact, if you're planning to sell up to, let's say, 100 products a year, there's no need to go for an advanced plan. But if you're planning on selling more than that, $40 a month, well, I think that it does pay off when you're making a lot of profit at the end of the day. Links for these plans are in the description down below, so be sure to check them out. Maybe the prices have changed, but they were such as I just mentioned at the time I made this video. So let's wrap this Squarespace review. As for now, I can say that this website builder is very well made. It's really intuitive and easy to use. On the good side, I would mention their beautiful templates, which do look nice and they help with the whole process of making your website look attractive. As a matter of fact, their templates are considered to be the best in the industry, and I can agree with the fact that they do actually look really well made compared to other website builders. They have really good uptime, which means that your website should be online 24/7, and there are tons of features that you can use to make your personal brand, business, or whatever you're doing successful. For example, a well-known actor, Keanu Reeves, I probably don't have to say who this guy is.
In 2077, what makes someone a criminal?
Has his own website done with Squarespace, and it looks great. I guess it does say a lot about Squarespace if people like that use their service. Also, there are tools for SEO improvement, your marketing and promotions, scheduling, analytics, and so on. Although, I still say that the price is definitely not the lowest, but it's fair for those features you're getting and is totally worth at the end. Other than that, I didn't spot any major drawbacks of this website builder. So that's pretty much it for our Squarespace review. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel because it helps us a lot. And if you're looking for more reviews like that, watch our other videos and check out our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com. I will see you in the next video.